I am in Creo Parametric 7.0.1.0, and I want to start playing around with Computational Fluid Dynamics, or CFD, in Creo Simulation Live. Let's try to get a free trial license. Let's jump over to the Live Simulation tab, and you can see that everything is grayed out except the Simulation Live trial button. Let's click on it, and let's see, it gives me a notification, get instantaneous 3D simulation, blah, 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 blah. The free trial lets you experience the magic yourself for 10 days. Click OK to learn more and sign up. I will click OK. And here we have a form to fill out. Let me start filling that in with my information. I'm going to put in a quick cut here. We'll come back when the form is filled out. All right, I've got the information filled out. Let's click Download Now. Please wait while your request is being submitted. Okay, so now I have another dialog box, and let's fetch our license. Okay, tells me it has succeeded. Let's click the Close button. All right, thank you for your interest. Please restart Creo Parametric, and from the Select a Creo Parametric Startup Configuration dialog, select Startup Configuration Creo Parametric Default Sim Live Trial. So let's follow their instructions. All right, so I've relaunched Creo Parametric 7.0. Let's enable the trial configuration and hit the Start button. All right, I am back in my piping assembly. Let's go over to the Live Simulation tab. If you get an error about not having a sufficient graphics card, first thing that you should do is update your drivers. I did that, now everything is fine. So that is how you can get a free trial license of Creo Simulation Live. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindchill.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.